I would like to introduce you to our website support services. They are designed to help you if you need any technical expertise or help setting up your online business. Over the last 20 years, we have built more than 5,000 websites of every type and in multiple industries. If you want us to build your online business system or support you, let us know and we will give you a quotation. How can we help you? Here are your options. When you decide to put together your online system, you may need some help depending on your level of expertise. We can offer you 3 main options. We call them Show You, With You, and For You. We start with Show You, which is our training. Get someone to show you how to do it using information, such as this course and supporting media. This is useful if you have a lot of time to learn and you want to reduce the initial investment. With You, which is our consultancy service. Get someone to do it with you and provide the assistance you need when you need it. This is an ideal balance between the time and money required to get started. You can do most of the work and only access our help as you need it, or if you need it. For You, this is our full service. Have someone set up your online system for you 100%. This perfect if funds are available and time is the issue for you. We can set everything up very quickly. Because we do this all the time, we can complete the work in a fraction of the time it would take you doing it for the first time. We can help you. Just contact us to know more.